Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion Reviews. You are watching not a movie review, and right now I am not going to be reviewing Mubaraka. मैंने लाला लैंड के टाइम पे क्या कहा था? भाई ये वाला मुश्किल है. At the risk of sounding repetitive, भाई ये वाला मुश्किल है. The Mubaraka trailer is pretty much the story of the film, except picture में there's about 5 more useless characters serving no purpose except convoluting the raita pretending to be the movie's plot. तो मतलब story रहने दो. Like most people who go in to watch an Anis Bazmi film, I went in expecting एकदम welcome type comedy. Nana Patekar in a tuxedo selling aloo kanda is my Facebook header picture. I love that movie so much. But if your movie opens with ये twins twin towers की तरह टूटे नहीं, you've lost me. A stupendous disaster with horrific global implications, thousands dead and millions in damage. But hey, punchline! दोनों हीरो की एंट्रीज होती है एक गाने से, because apparently we're still doing that. जट जैगुआर उत्ते बैके आया सोनी सोनी कुड़िया नु लेके क्यों? Why is he in a Jaguar? What is he so proud of? What has he done to afford said Jaguar? Sorry, I doth ponder too much. The one point character sketch arc given to these two characters seems to be एक outgoing extrovert type, दूसरा है shy introvert type. उसके आगे personalities की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Background score से jokes obvious बना देंगे. The twins Charan and Karan are infuriatingly dumb and probably the worst boyfriends in the top 10 historical list of worst boyfriends. And I have dated about 5 of them, so I know. माँ बाप से गर्लफ्रेंड्स के बारे में बताने से फटती है, तो they deploy harebrained schemes one after another. They're aided by a Chandigarh-born, London-bred, call center accented English-speaking uncle Kartar Singh. This man has a farm in London where he grows veggies, makes enough money to, I think, own a Punjabi-speaking white man simply named Jolly with questionable motives who panders to his masters every whim. Who is this man? What does he do? We don't know. Also, Kartar Singh is too literal. His relatives are asked to bring him a bag of dirt from Punjab to London so his Videshi khet could have that only heard about in films, but now it's time to feel for real. Mitti di khushbu. A bag of dirt. Just get a couple of guys to do gobar in your fields, man. You should be good. एक सीन में ना the whole Punjabi family sitting outside getting drunk into the night making shor sharaba when white neighbors open their windows to say, hey, it's 1 a.m. what the hell, and us Indians are like, my family is here from India, fuck you, and the white woman from the window laughs and says, oh, these Indians still love their families so much, lol. Oh my god, no, call the cops. You see what I mean with this movie? Unless you've been living under a rock this last month, which actually kind of sounds tempting, there has been a lot of nepotism talk lately. Not to bring that here too much, but Atiya Shetty has roughly 10 lines in the film, which she delivers most dispassionately. She is tall though, so poor girls probably spent more time promoting this film than she did reading, rehearsing and acting all combined. One of Arjun's Charan Karan Haran falls in love with Atiya's Binkle literally upon seeing her for the first time, and she too immediately knows she wants to marry him because he stood in front of a religious poster and did namaste. इतने misplaced गाने मैंने बड़े time के बाद देखे हैं. So my girlfriend is upset. She's stalked off. I'ma follow her and sing Hawa Hawa because Mika has dates and we got rights to this song. Also Kumar's Goggle song. इतनी ज़्यादा सोनी तुझमें दिखे चांद का flavor. You are so pretty, I can see moon's flavor in you. Moon doesn't have a flavor. And even if it did, you can't see flavors! चलो suspension of disbelief. Sense ढूंढने की कोशिश ही मत करो कोई ना. But even then, how are you supposed to take जिसने मुझे कुत्ता बोला वो खुद कुत्ता type dialogue spoken in a serious dramatic scene seriously? हाँ मैं cheater, तू cheater, same to you, back to you, no returns. Credit where it's due, Anil Kapoor's theatrics did produce some welcome humor. In one scene, the man is literally balancing on one leg. कि मैं इस पूरी picture का बोझ उठा लूँगा, at least I'ma try. He also has a passionate speech in the end after getting slapped by Ratna Pathak Shah and Pawan Malhotra and wondering aloud, पता है क्यों? Because they are mad. They are mad they had to do this film and गुस्सा कहीं तो निकलेगा ना? So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Mubaraka is 12 Anis Bazmi films. So I ought to stop talking now. Sir, you win. मेरा ना 5 किलो खून जल गया ये पिक्चर देख के और 5 किलो वजन बढ़ गया, 2 समोसे खा लिए मैंने. आप सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं करोगे हैं? राइट हियर प्लीज ना.